Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Forest Run board game. First, let's get everything ready. This exciting jungle adventure is designed for 2 to 4 players, typically aged 7 and older. Begin by unfolding the colorful game board and placing it centrally. Each player selects one of the 4 unique playing pieces and positions it on the designated start tile. Next, shuffle the 110 game cards and 48 spell cards, forming 2 distinct draw piles. Finally, arrange the 75 resource tokens, like fruit, wood, and fire, into accessible piles beside the board. Now let's dive into how a turn works. The youngest player begins the game and play continues in a clockwise direction. On your turn, you'll draw 1 game card from the deck. Each card offers a choice. Either move your own playing piece a specified number of steps, or strategically move an opponent's piece. Carefully consider your options, as some cards allow moving forward or backward. If you land on a resource tile, collect the corresponding token, like a fruit or wood token. Spells and resources are key to victory in Forest Run. You can collect various resource tokens, such as fire and fruit, by landing on specific tiles. These tokens can then be combined to craft powerful spell cards, offering unique advantages. Alternatively, landing directly on a spell tile allows you to immediately collect a spell card. Watch out for special tiles. Friend tiles propel you forward, but monster tiles will send you backward. Landmines are especially dangerous, forcing you back to the very beginning. To win Forest Run, your main goal is to be the very first player to reach the final victory tile on the board. Strategic use of your spell cards is essential. They can either boost your own progress or cleverly impede your opponents. Remember to collect resource tokens throughout the game, as these are vital for crafting additional spells that can protect you from challenging tiles like monsters or landmines. Careful decision-making and tactical planning are absolutely crucial for navigating the forest and claiming victory.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.